So we're here at ARM TechCon explaining IBM Watson IoT Blockchain ARM Managed Parking Meter, and we have Suma here explaining this with a parking meter, and today we're going to show you how it works. So Suma, go ahead.
Yeah, so this is a Watson IoT Blockchain ARM parking meter demo, and it was built in conjunction with ARM. It's a result of over 2 years of collaboration with ARM. We really wanted an integration between IBM's Watson IoT platform and ARM's embedded device connector. And this connector bridge in Watson IoT platform, which is a component that is being released now, is the output of that effort. And in this demo, we are going to show an end-to-end flow from device through the platform and back to the device. So we have two really cute parking meters here. This is parking meter 4 and this is parking meter 7. And what these do is, there are two chips here. This is a Freedom board with an embed shield sitting on top, and we have the display of the shield that we're using as a parking meter display. Then we have a Cordio board that is acting as a BLE beacon. We are using Google's physical web technology. Now, the good thing about physical web is that we don't need to have any specific application software installed on our handheld devices, like your phone, for example. If you have Google Chrome, you can turn the physical web capability on and you will be able to detect beacons in your vicinity. So let me show you that really quick. So I'm here in the physical web page, and you can see that you have a number of beacons showing up. We have 2 others that don't belong to us, and we have 3 parking meters because we have another parking meter sitting at the Cordio booth. So let me pick one of our parking meters. Let me quickly look at the address. This is parking meter 4. That's this guy. So once I click on this, it takes me to a Lumix mobile application, Lumix hosted mobile application. So again, this app is not on your device, it's hosted on Lumix and you're just consuming it. You can click on this button and it will take you to IBM's payment services, where you can configure your credit card details as you deem fit. Once you come back, you can actually add time to your meter and reserve it. So I'm just going to add 1 minute here. So this rate that you see at the bottom, it's a rate that's been defined for this particular device on the blockchain. So it's pulling this rate from the blockchain. And if this device was already in use, it would tell you that it's unavailable, but this is free right now. So we're going to pay for it. And once we pay, you see that this light is turned green. And if you really come close to the screen, you can see that it started counting down there as well. In order for this to happen, there's a lot of magic happening behind the scenes. So from the Lumix application, the call goes to Watson IoT, to IBM's commerce solution where the actual payment gets recorded, to the blockchain where the usage details get recorded. We capture the time of blocking, or time when the parking meter was reserved, for what duration it was reserved, and what amount was spent for parking. And then through the ARM embed connector bridge, the call goes to the embed connected device connector. And from the device connector, the direction goes to the Freedom board, that is this piece, and the light turns green. So another thing to note is that now that the parking meter is in use, this light, this blue light at the bottom is not blinking, which means that it is not broadcasting its availability anymore. It's not available for use. So now that the timer is almost up, the light has turned yellow, and it'll soon turn green once your parking is done. Sorry, red when it's done.
Turn red.
Yeah, turn red.
Perfect.
That's it, right?
And it says on your app that it's expired.
Yeah, in my app it says it's expired as well.
Cool. So we've completed that entire flow that you showed us for the entire demonstration. Awesome.
Yes. There are a couple of nice features that we can show as well. This is a toggle that we've added.
Okay.
So right now you can see this green light is blinking.
Yes.
Now I click on this toggle and it says it's free parking.
Oh, okay.
And this Cordio is stopped blinking, which means it's not broadcasting itself, and the UI display says the parking is
Free
free.
parking, yes.
Now I toggle it right back, and now it says it's paid for parking, and it started blinking, so it's letting people know it's available for service.
Immediately. Wow, that's awesome. Cool.
It's done.
Thank you.